right, so I got my Sketchbox today, and it came damaged, so I'm kind of hoping there's some brown stuff, like here. So I'm kind of hoping it's still okay to use. I mean, I'm hoping that everything's intact. Okay, so it feels, that's no plastic. It feels medium heavy. It's not too light, but it's not too heavy. So this is for April. Sketchbox. I'm trying to see some kind of pen. It looks like the matte hop, and I don't like those. But we'll see. What's this? Should I check everything out first? You get a bigger pad of paper. Oh, that's what they are. And there's some caps. So maybe it wasn't from this, because it doesn't look like anything spilled. It may just have been something else spilled. So from some other package that wasn't mine. Oh, like a brush holder. Okay. Or pen holder. Well, that's kind of pretty. Kind of tie-dye looking. All right, so we got that. We got craft paper. I don't know what size. 4x6. Yeah, I have not had good luck with these. They don't tend to work. They're gel pens, right? So they don't really... I always have issues with gel pens. The only ones that work are the Signo. All right, let's try these out. See how they skip? All right, maybe they're better now. All right, that's navy blue. This is, oh, it's on the cap. Violet. Skip, skip, skip. See? I hate these. Meh. Useless. I hate these. And I keep seeing an ad for these, and they come in this cute little box. I'm like, oh, I want the box, but I don't want the pens. Green one's okay, I guess. And this one's pink. Yeah, pink one works okay. But I found the last time I had these, I kept getting the same non-reaction from them. It was just annoying. And you have to really dig into the paper, and I don't like that. This is, I don't know. Oh, okay. It's very thin, very light brown, kind of. I guess it's just a regular pen. I don't know, I guess it could be a gel pen. You got a little ruler, that's kind of cute. You can use it as a bookmark. You can stick it in your sketchbook if you want. Cute. And, these are the good ones, the Signos. Yes. The always dependable Signos. And this is a dual Pit Artist Pen. Oh, these are the new versions. Okay. Because I have the older ones that are not double-sided. I don't think they make the single-sided ones anymore in the brush pens. And there's, on the other side is a thick kind of micron tip. So that's nice. That works nice. Okay. So now what? So this is what they have, which is fabulous. I don't know if I can do that. So they're using like a cross-hatching kind of technique. That's really kind of cool. Maybe I'll try something similar to it. I don't know if I want to do pens in a cup, but I like that style. That is kind of cool. Giveaway. Ooh. Win all 24 colors of the matte hop. No, thank you. I want to get this purple to work. That's so annoying. Well, at least it whatever spilled wasn't my fault, and there's nothing, and it's not Sketchbox's fault, so. Why can't you get anything out of this? Look at it, it's a pretty color too. Maybe I could run it underwater or something. It came out for like half a second, and now it's blocked again. That's annoying. Well, I'm not using that color then. Okay, so I'm stuck with these colors and the black. So we'll come up with something. I got black and white, brown, pink, green, and blue. And I do like this style, so I might try to come up with something similar. So I will do that. I'll look around my little file and see if I can find a picture that I like, and I'll be back. Okay. So, it's been a couple of days. So I did get the purple one working again. I unscrewed the thing, and I just soaked this part in like a mug of hot water for like, I don't know, half an hour, and now it works fine. So they're not as awful as I thought. Once you get them going, I guess they're okay, but I don't know. That was really frustrating for me the first time I had them. So I did do one. I was just kind of playing around with them. And I did this. This is kind of based off of this picture. You can see that. I found it a little frustrating color-wise because there just wasn't... I wanted like yellow for the sun to be there, and I had like that brownish color. Oh, by the way, this is also a gel pen. I looked at the pamphlet and it said, yes, it's a gel pen. It's a Zebra Sarasa Clip. But it's much thinner than the matte hops. So yeah, I mean, they do dry kind of matte. This is not matte, the Signo. So I can notice the difference. And it worked really well with this, and I really love this pen. Now I said I don't like a double-sided pen, but I didn't use this part, but I like that. But I love this. I love Pitt pens. So anyway, I don't know if I should draw some. I was going to draw something just and speed draw it, but I ended up just doing this when I was on the couch. But yeah, the colors that I got, I think if I had a bigger variety, it would have been easier. It's just the blue and the green are very close. The purple, at least, is like a medium tone. This is like a light tone. The brown is a light tone, but I did use both of these. You just can't see them. They're kind of on top of each other here. So I think I wouldn't mind them as much if I had a little more variety. I wish I had like an orange or, you know, a red or something. But, so that's that. So I think I will do like a speed draw just so keep you entertained. I don't think I'm going to do this though. I like how this looks, but it just looks like something I don't want to draw. So I have a pair that I might do. This pair, I think. So I think I'll do that. Alright, well, it doesn't really, it doesn't look as, I mean, I like it, but it's the colors that drive me nuts, because I would rather do, you know, colors that are more pear-like. But as you notice, this died out again, so it isn't just a one-time thing. It's like they dry up, and then you gotta soak them, so it's a pain. But, you know, I mean, when they're working, the colors are really nice. If you like that matte finish. I tend to not like a matte finish. I like a shiny finish. But, and I do like it on this paper, because you can use the paper as sort of a medium tone, and then you can use white, you know, to lighten in the dark ones. So maybe that's why I was having an issue with the one I did in the book. I don't know what I did with that. Because this is just white paper. So that is it. I'm still not a fan of these. I will always be a fan of these. If you like gel pens, this is nice. This is a thinner line. But I'm a big fan of these now. Don't buy any more. I do have a lot of Pitt pens with they don't have the second, they don't have the top part. They have the brush tips, and I do like those. What else do we get? We got this. I don't think it's big enough for brushes unless you use short brushes. But it's good for pencils. I thought it might be good for my my microns because I'm always looking for them. And that's good size. So I might use it for that. I do like this. I know it's an odd thing, but it's good to have for bookmark if you're a reader. That's my eraser too. And I like the paper. Maybe I can get a sketchbook with this kind of paper in it because I do kind of like that. So, all right, we'll look around. We'll see what we can spend money on. So I guess that's this week's video. Next week, I'm pretty sure I will have the Etcher Spring Mystery Pack because they already said they shipped it out. So hopefully I'll get that during the week and I can do the video for you next Sunday. So thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye.